In this video, we will cover 5 top pre-submission tips for authors submitting to an Elsevier journal in Editorial Manager. Tip 1. Find the right journal. Finding the right journal for your research is the first hurdle for many authors to overcome. At Elsevier, we offer the Journal Finder tool, which uses a machine learning algorithm to recommend journals that match the scope of your manuscript. You can search by entering your abstract or by using keywords or journal title. Suggested journals are ranked in order of relevancy, using a scoring system to match your search terms. You have the option to sort and filter the results and can also save a journal to consider later if logged into your Elsevier account. When you've found a journal that looks right for your research, the next step is to visit the journal homepage. Tip 2. Visit the journal homepage. Familiarizing yourself with the journal's homepage is a helpful tip in ensuring you're choosing the right journal, as well as offering key information for the preparation of your manuscript. The aims and scope will give you further clarity on the suitability of your research to this journal. You'll find links to recent issues, news and announcements, and also journal insights, which outline the publishing timeline for the journal. Submission to first decision is the median number of days it takes for an article to go from submission to first editorial decision. Submission to decision after review is the median number of days from submission to receipt of first editor decision for papers that are sent to review. Submission to acceptance is the median number of days from submission to receipt of an accept decision for all papers accepted at the journal. Finally, acceptance to publication is the median number of days from receipt of an accept decision to the first online publication for all papers accepted at the journal. For further details on this, see our video, How Long Does the Peer Review Process Take? Tip 3. Review the Guide for Authors. The Guide for Authors is the best resource for information on preparing your submission. You can locate the Guide for Authors via the journal homepage or via the journal's Editorial Manager site by clicking About and then Instructions for Authors. Each Guide for Authors contains information on key aspects of preparing your manuscript, such as peer review, open access, ethics and policies, writing and formatting, submitting your manuscript, and much more. Tip 4. Visit the Author Hub and Author Guide to Editorial Manager. Elsevier's Author Hub contains a wealth of curated resources created to accelerate your progress and amplify the impact of your research. Here you will find essential information on finding a journal, preparing your paper, submitting and revising, tracking your paper, and sharing and promoting. You can download the Get Published Quick Guide, which offers a range of tips in preparing your paper. You'll find details of Elsevier's author services for language editing and translation, as well as information on e-learning modules on preparing your manuscript hosted by Researcher Academy. The Author Guide to Editorial Manager on the Journal Article Publishing Support Center boasts an abundance of instructional videos and articles. Follow the essential learning pathway right through from finding the right journal through to key publication information. Tip 5. Join a live author webinar. It's natural to have some questions during this process, and that's why we are here to help. Elsevier's Learning, Content and Development team offer live author webinars on how to prepare and submit both a new submission and a revised paper. These webinars offer a Q&A option, giving you the opportunity to ask any questions you may have about the process and get an immediate answer. Following the session, attendees will receive the recording as well as links to videos and other useful learning resources. We hope that these tips and resources will help guide you in your submission journey with Elsevier. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for further learning videos and resources. Please visit the Journal Article Publishing Support Center should you require further information. Thank you for watching.